What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making air fryer croutons. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways you can make these using two types of different bread. Let's get started. So the first way to make this is using some sourdough bread. I just have a loaf here. This is 2 days old. Stale bread works really well. And so then I like to slice that up into smaller cubes. You can make them 1/2-inch cubes, 1-inch cubes, whatever size you want your croutons to be. Go ahead and slice up that bread. Then drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I add in everything but the bagel seasoning and salt and pepper. You can use whatever seasonings you like. Garlic powder works really well. Dried rosemary works really well. Whatever you want to use. And then if you find that that seasoning isn't sticking, go ahead and spray a little bit more olive oil on there. And the next way to make these is using Ezekiel bread. And Ezekiel bread is a healthier option. It's flourless and it has no added sugar. So you essentially do the same thing with that bread. And then go ahead and place those in the air fryer and air fry those on 370 degrees for 5 minutes. And then open the basket, shake it up a little, and then air fry them again for another 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, air fryer croutons that are crispy, crunchy, ready for soups and salads.